Now we are going to make a human resources dashboard. For this, we are going to import a background, here, an image that is below this class.
Hello, I am Gabriel Venturini, a Brazilian with a degree in administration and specializing in strategic management and business innovation. With over 10 years of experience in the Office suite, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Power BI, and VBA, we are producing videos in English. Please subscribe to the channel and leave a like. And also activate YouTube notifications so it understands that the content is relevant and delivers it to more and more people. In the detailed description of this video and also in the very first pinned comment, you can easily find our complete training sessions. Now, let's get started with the content.
So you can put this image here and that's it. The first information we are going to do is the information about the amount of hiring. For this, remembering that we made some calculations. So, emission count. So, simple calculations, and also calculations about our bases, which are below for you to be able to follow, and the relations too. So, our first calculation we are going to do is to add a card and add the information about the amount of hiring. So I will put the amount of hiring here, I will decrease the size, 15, it can be a little more, and our category label I will put, and I will also remove our background. Okay? Now I'm going to do a CTRL-C, CTRL-V to copy and paste, and put the amount of resignation here, perfect. Here I will put the salary by gender, so I will put a thread, great. So I will put the gender and the salary. It is already shown. Here I will make some settings, as for example, I will put, let's see, here, and male, a lighter color, great. I will remove the background. I will put the title centralized, and here, our look, let's see what we can add of information too. Let's see here. No. Here it was cool. The values, I will put it like this, and I will also customize and put this type to get an accountable value, which is better, and I will also put it like this. Great, it was really cool. I can also adjust the subtitles, put it here, and I will also change the text and put it like this. Perfect. Let me position it better. Here I will only put another color, like this. Now I will press CTRL-C, CTRL-V, and here in the information I will put, by area, I will put the area, and I will also put the extra hours. I will put a graph like this, the area I will put here. I will also add our graphics here. I will customize it in another way. Let's see, like this is cool. I will customize our graphic a little, copy the formatting. No, let me go back. I will remove this information here. I will also remove the title, and here remove the title, and here then, extra hours per area is ready. Now our next formatting I will do, I will press Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V, extend our graphic here, and I will put a graph like this with the information per load. I will put the load, the information, and I will also put, instead of here, the hiring, here, like this. Great. And our dashboard, DRH, and human resources graphics are ready. So, human resources and personal department, a very interesting graphic that you can do for your area in a certain application sector.